Good afternoon, my name is Diana Baez, belongs to the 95 Group of Technology Evaluation Management. The process innovation, how to protect the EP generate from the process innovation and try to prevent competing companies from upselling your products of service, help differentiate your offer, promote the expansion of your company to other territories. How are you evaluation the prosal key resource? Um, Town physical resource, such as facilities, buildings, vehicles, intellectual resource, brand, patents, copyrights, own exclusivity contract, quality and commitment. Final resource, um, such as creating lines and cash liquid, technology resource. Uh, under one condition will the security be trade. Um, Focus for marketing on the customer. The most important person of your business is the client. For this reason, it is important to improve the relationships you have with customers and maintain clear and effective communication during low price competition. Thanks.